In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating an Instagram page for your business. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Make sure you're signed in to your personal Instagram profile. Click on the profile icon and then on the menu button. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and select Add Account, then choose Create New Account. Create a password and tap on Complete Sign Up. Skip the optional parts by clicking Continue and Not Now. You have the option to sync your contacts and add a profile photo. You can sync this to your Facebook account, so whenever you post here, it will also post on Facebook. For now, we are simply clicking on the Not Now button here. The profile can be shared from here. Click on the arrow to move to the next step. We have just created a profile. Click on Settings and Privacy. And then on Account Type and Tools, switch to a professional account by clicking Switch to Professional Account and then Continue. Select a category, for instance, we'll choose Health and Beauty, click Done. Choose whether you're a creator or a business. We'll pick Business and click Next. From here, we can enable promotional emails. Review your contact info and click Next. Connecting a Facebook page enables you to share Instagram posts on Facebook and use features such as ads. To set up your professional account, follow the 6 steps. Like, complete your profile by providing your business name and other details. Once all done, you'll see your Instagram page with a professional dashboard, indicating a successful switch to a professional account. If you require help with your business's social media, visit JovieSocial.com. For SEO services, BruceJonesSEO.com. Let's take your business to new heights together. Don't forget to subscribe to the JovieSocial YouTube channel for more insightful videos. Let's grow your business together. Thanks for watching.